This is EMPORIA Smart.5, and today I'll show how you can capture and manage screenshots on this device. So in the beginning, I recommend that you go into your phone's settings, then enter the system category, go into bottom of this section and enable the 3-finger screenshot options. And now you can just take a screenshot anywhere by making the following gesture. Just swipe your 3 fingers down the screen. Then in your control panel, you also have the super screenshot icon or super screenshot shortcut. Once you tap on it, you can now take, a regular screenshot, long screenshot, screen recording, and a funny screenshot. So let's start by making a long screenshot, for example. So let me quickly open some web page to test. Like this web page should do just fine. Let's make some Google search. Then press long. And now press at the next page option. And once you would like to stop the screenshot, just save it. In order to find the saved screenshots, you gotta go into your device's gallery, then albums, or in my case it's going to be library. Or actually, before I can use the gallery, I need to quickly update the app. So let's do that. So now let's launch the app, open the library once again. And here is your screenshots and super screenshot folders, where you can find all the screenshots you've made. Now let's also touch on the funny screenshots topic. So let's once again launch the super screenshot shortcut, then go into funny. And here you can, make a partial or rectangular screenshot. You can also draw over it if you want to. And another option that you have is the DAUP screenshot. So just draw over the space you would like to capture. And then if you were to save it, it will be saved as a screenshot like that. If you would like to edit your screenshot, it is as simple as opening their folder. So once again, let's open the screenshots folder, open the image you would like to edit, and start editing by either markup, crop, whatever is that you would like to use. Just open the edit interface. And here you should have all the tools at your disposal. In order to share a screenshot, the logic is the same. Just open the screenshot you would like to share, hit the share option, and send it out. So that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.